Hello, everyone. Today we'll have a question and answer session about cough medication. Feel free to ask your questions, and I'll do my best to answer them.
What are the main types of cough medications and how do they work?
Great question. There are two main types of cough medications: cough suppressants, antitussives. These reduce the urge to cough by acting on the brain's cough center. An example is dextromethorphan. Expectorants. These help loosen mucus in the airways, making it easier to cough up. An example is guaifenesin. Both types are used depending on whether the cough is dry or productive, with mucus.
When should someone use a cough suppressant instead of an expectorant?
A cough suppressant is typically used for a dry cough where there's no mucus and the cough is irritating or keeping the person awake. On the other hand, an expectorant is better for a productive cough because it helps clear mucus from the lungs. Always consult a doctor or pharmacist to choose the right medication.
Are there any side effects of cough medications?
Yes, like all medications, cough medicines can have side effects. For example, dextromethorphan, cough suppressant, may cause dizziness, drowsiness, or nausea. Guaifenesin, expectorant, can sometimes cause upset stomach or headache. It's important to follow the recommended dosage to minimize side effects.
Can children take the same cough medications as adults?
Not always. Many cough medications are not suitable for young children, especially those under 6 years old. For example, dextromethorphan and some combination cough medicines are not recommended for young children due to the risk of side effects. Always check the label or consult a healthcare provider before giving cough medicine to a child.
Are there any natural remedies for coughs that work as well as medication?
Yes, there are some natural remedies that can help, especially for mild coughs. For example, honey can soothe the throat and reduce coughing, especially at night. However, it should not be given to children under 1 year old. Steam inhalation helps loosen mucus in the airways. Herbal teas, like ginger or peppermint, can soothe the throat and provide relief. While these remedies can be helpful, they may not be as effective as medication for severe or persistent coughs. That was a great set of questions. Remember, cough medications should always be used responsibly, and it's important to consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen. Any final questions before we wrap up?
Once you've finished watching the video, go ahead and answer the questions that follow. 1. What are the two main types of cough medications, and how do they differ in their function? 2. When should a person choose a cough suppressant over an expectorant? 3. What are some common side effects of cough medications, and how can they be minimized? 4. Why is it important to be cautious when giving cough medications to children? 5. What are some natural remedies for coughs, and when might they be used instead of medication?
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.